Hi, today I'm going to go through quadratic equations. For example, how do we solve quadratic equations? Now, quadratic equation normally comes in the form of x squared plus a number x plus a number by itself equal to 0. When you come across a quadratic equation, the first thing you should do, write yourself 2 bracket equal to 0. And say to yourself, what are the two numbers if I multiply, it should give me 6. So think of two numbers if you multiply, it should give you 6. So that would be 3 times by 2. That's the only one. And then say to yourself, if I add these numbers, can I get 5? Yep. So therefore, your answer should be 3 and 2. Since they're both positive, so you write x plus 3, x plus 2. And if you want to check to see if your answer is correct, then what you do, you multiply the two brackets by themselves, and then simplify. It should give you the original, or let's say the initial question. Let me go through the next one. Here you go, this one. So think of two numbers. If you multiply, it can give you 14, and then if you add the same number, it should give you 9. So two numbers, if you multiply, it should give you 14, and then if you add them, it should give you 9. So always to start with the multiplication. So two numbers, if I multiply, can give me 14. That would be 7 times by 2. And then if I add these two numbers, do I get 9? Yep. So 7 and 2 are my answer. When I multiply them, it gives me 14. And when I add them, it gives me 9. So therefore, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to have a bracket and another bracket equal to 0. And then I'm going to write x and x. Since they're both positive numbers, 7 and 2 positive numbers, so my answer is going to be x plus 7, x plus 2. I can write them other way around as well. For example, I can write x plus 2 first and x plus 7. It should still give me the correct answer. And finally, the next one, here you go, this one. So we're going to follow the same method. So think of two numbers. If we multiply, it should give me 10. And then if I add the same number, it should give me 7. Always start from multiplication. So say to yourself, what are the two numbers if I multiply? It can give me 10. 5 and 2. 5 times 2, 10. And then I'm going to say to myself, if I add these two numbers, what do I get? So 5 plus 2, 7. Here you go. So therefore, 5 and 2 are my answer. They're both positives. Okay, so once I've got my number that I'm looking for, then what I'll do, I'll write bracket here. And then I'm going to write x and x. Now, since both numbers are positive, 5 and 2, so I'm going to write x plus 5, x plus 2. I could have written this other way around as well. I hope that this was useful, and I will be uploading more questions, and I'll be going through their answers. Thank you very much.